1. A-star algorithm. A-star is a smart algorithm that combines the actual distance traveled with an estimated distance to the destination, allowing it to prioritize promising routes on the roam map. As a result, it can ignore many useless branches and find the optimal path very efficiently. In your simulation, a star will almost certainly be the best and most balanced choice in terms of both speed and path quality. 2. Dijkstra's algorithm. Dijkstra's algorithm guarantees it will find the absolute shortest path by systematically expanding its search area from the starting point. However, it explores all directions equally, making it very slow on large maps as it wastes resources on incorrect routes. It is a sure bet for accuracy, but often inefficient in terms of time for finding a path from A to B. Bidirectional search. This technique runs two simultaneous searches, one from the start point and one from the end point until they meet. By splitting the work, it significantly reduces the search area and is often much faster than A-star or Dijkstra. This is an extremely effective method for quickly finding a single path between 2 points. Four, BFS, breadth first search. BFS finds the path with the fewest number of turns by systematically exploring the map layer by layer. However, this path is often not the shortest in terms of actual distance, as it ignores the length of each road segment. Therefore, BFS is not a good choice for practical, real-world map navigation. 5. DFS, Depth First Search. DFS works by diving as deep as possible down one branch before backtracking, which leads to very long and winding routes. It almost never finds the shortest path and is more useful for other problems besides pathfinding. In your simulation, DFS will show the worst results in terms of path distance. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm Max, and I'll see you in the next one.